Write 2 division statements for this array of 20 shapes. There are 20 shapes. Divided into 4 columns, we get 5 rows of shapes. 20 divided by 4 equals 5. Divided into 5 rows, we get 4 columns of shapes. 20 divided by 5 equals 4. Write 2 division statements for this array of 32 stars. There are 32 stars. Divided into 8 columns, we get 4 rows of stars. 32 divided by 8 equals 4. Divided into 4 rows, we get 8 columns of stars. 32 divided by 4 equals 8. Division of an array of objects. Write 2 division facts for the given array of dots. There are 35 dots. Divided into 7 columns, we get 5 rows of dots. 35 divided by 7 equals 5. Divided into 5 rows, we get 5 columns of dots. 35 divided by 5 equals 7.